Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to rotate image in Canva mobile. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the image which you want to rotate. Go on bottom, slide to the right, and you will see this option, flip. Just click on it, and you can flip the image vertically, horizontally, or whatever way you want. Also, just click on the image, and alternatively you can just click on this rotate option and you can just rotate the image like this. So that's it for the video. That's how you can rotate image in Canva mobile. Thanks for watching.